Hello and welcome back to the BOSStimator. Ryan Frick, your personal trainer here today. This tutorial is to show you how to properly install the BOSStimator on your own personal computer. We assume that you have already downloaded the application from the internet or has been given a file to install it yourself. When you open up the file, it'll come up with an exec box. So you need to double click on the exec file, and then the computer should do the rest. As it opens up, the first thing that you will notice is that there's a license agreement. You need to read through this and be very comfortable with it and understand what your liabilities are and what the BOSStimator's liabilities are. After you have read it, you must either accept it or decline it, but let's assume that you have accepted it. And now you need to just determine where you would like to install it. You want to leave this as a default and leave it in a default location for the ease of install. So press install. Now the program is now self-extracting itself. There may be multiple different applications that are being installed depending upon the version that you are installing. Some of them come with online applications from the BOSStimator to MySQL. The MySQL, it allows your computer to talk with the internet and publish your bids online. Follow through and just continue to press next, and this one should be install, and then just continue to go through it, installing them all in the default locations. I'm going to push pause while some of the applications get installed. The first application has been installed, and you press finish. Then the next one should boot itself back up as it gets going. And again, you just continue to press the yes button while it's installing, extracting, and placing it in the location. This is the BOSStimator program itself, and just continue to press that. Read through your license agreement and follow through with that. I'm going to press pause while it continues to install. As you are running through the BOSStimator application, you install it in the typical location. That is what it is for all of the applications, and it will take a period of time to do the installation. Once the BOSStimator is finished installing, you press finish, and it will continue to do the installation of all the other applications. The next application that's being installed is the BOSStimator, which allows you to install digitized plans on the screen, and they will link directly to your BOSStimator program. Again, use all the default locations and just continue to press next or typical. Now I'm going to press pause while I continue to install it. Once the BOSStimator is installed, you just press finish, and now your program should be installed on your computer. If you look on your screen, there will be an icon. I'm going to drag it over so you can see what it looks like. That will be installed, and that's your quick link to the program. Now all the information has been installed, all the programs have been installed. If there is additional pop-ups that come up when you're doing the installation, just install it typically and in the default locations. The program itself is self-extracting and will link everything together. Again, once you have it installed, take a look around. If you have any questions or have any problems, like always, feel free to call the boss.